Have you ever wondered how water performs its gravity-defying act of moving upward from the roots to the leaves of a plant? This process of water movement is made possible due to a process known as capillary action, which is controlled through the vascular tissue system. The vascular tissue system is composed of two major conducting specialized tissues: the xylem, which is associated with the process of capillary action and carries water and mineral ions from the roots upwards to the leaves of the plant when required for photosynthesis, and the phloem, which is primarily responsible for the distribution of the glucose manufactured products created by photosynthesis. Capillary action occurs when the forces binding a liquid together and the forces attracting that bound liquid to another surface are greater than the force of gravity, which allows for the water to be transferred through the xylem and throughout the plant. The three main variables that contribute to the capillary action process are cohesion, surface tension, and adhesion. Cohesive forces contribute to capillary action by working on the intermolecular bonding to keep molecules of the same substance together. These substances fill the column in the xylem and act as a huge single molecule of water. Surface tension occurs as a result of the cohesive forces banding together to form an impenetrable surface on the body of water. It is responsible for the shape of water drops and for holding the structures together as the plant soaks up the water. The adhesive forces bind the unlike molecules together. For plants, adhesion allows for water to stick to the organic tissue, allowing for the transportation of water. Capillary action is the direct result of adhesion and surface tension. Adhesive forces move the water to the walls of a plant's tissue, which cause an upward force on the liquid at the edges, resulting in the water being forced upwards. The surface tension then acts to hold the surface intact. So instead of just the edges moving upward, the whole liquid surface is being dragged upward, just like water is dragged up a straw. Capillary action is the process that plants use to pull water up from the ground. It is the reason why plants and trees spread their roots throughout the ground, as when it rains, the water travels through the surrounding soil gathering vital nutrients. The plants and trees then gather these nutrients in their roots and begin to transport them by capillary action. Some nutrients are then converted into other resources that are crucial for the growth and survival of the plants or trees. Capillary action is essential to the life of all plant species, as they must utilize this gravity-defying process to transport water and carry dissolved nutrients throughout the plant's vascular system in order to keep the leaves, roots, and stems healthy. Without capillary action, plants and trees would cease to exist, as this process is one of the crucial factors linking to its survival. Capillary action is a phenomena that is allowed for life, not just in plants, but in human life as well, as we too utilize this same process in our bodies, essentially giving us the ability to live and survive.